expected they're very close to the village.
This is the red. Which monkey is this again?
Red leaf monkey.
Red leaf, yeah.
And also known as maroon langur.
They're just having a good breakfast, aren't they? What are they eating?
That one is they go for the others they're going for the young shoots, the shoots of the tree, the other tree,
Okay.
the white one. And the other one they go for the fruit of this fig tree.
Yeah, what kind of fruit is it?
Fig.
Oh, fig.
Yeah. It's quite unusual. It's quite sweet actually. They don't get anything.
Nice too because there aren't a lot of leaves, so they're good to see.
And probably because of them. Finish all the leaves. And it's what happened to the monkeys here when they like the tree, they become the favorite. They keep on coming back to the same tree.